The first thing you want to do is hold the 0 button and then press the on-off button. And that's going to bring up the calibration menu. Now, first thing you need to do is you need to select if you're going to be using kilograms or pounds to calibrate. And we're going to be using pounds, so press the unit button. And now it's on pounds. Okay? And then we're going to press the hold key to move. We're going to be calibrating with 102 pounds. To move the flashing digit from the left to the right, you press the hold key. Okay, now it's on 100. Move it over again. Now to increase that, we're going to press the 0 button. And now it's at 102 pounds. And now we're going to press the tare key, and that's going to show the AD value for a second. Okay, now once that shows up, you're going to press the unit key. And you see that's flashing right now. Now it's asking for the weight. I'm going to have my cousin step on the scale. I already had him weighed and I know he weighs 102 pounds. Once the stabilization indicator comes on, I'm going to press the unit key again. You see those lines? Now the scale is calibrated. To save the settings, you just turn the scale off and the settings are saved.